morning guys. Before we have learned formal table setup, and this time we will learn Russian table setup. As you can see, we have a lot of forks, we have some spoons, we have some dessert spoon. There are a lot of plates. You can see this is actually a Russian table setup. We also have some type of glasses. These all are different type of glasses. We have red wine glass, we have white wine glass, we have juice glass, we have water glass. This is actually an elegant table setup. You can say this is basically designed for VIP guest. This is actually a soup bowl, and we also have a soup plate that is placed on the top at a Russian table setup. And this is actually an elegant table setup that is usually for, you can say, some VIPs, business meeting, etc. Then we have a soup spoon. It will be always at the right side of the customer and at the first. When this customer is served with soup and when he finishes his food, so when the waiter picks the plate, the dirty plates, so he will just simply remove this top plate. Actually this will be at the side at the time of serving. Then we have you can say a dessert plate. This will be placed here. For dessert we have a spoon that is actually placed at the top of the plate. In this position, when the customer is served with you can say dessert, the plate is placed here and the spoon is placed here at the right side of the customer. Then we have fish plate. This is called fish plate. For this we have a fish knife. Actually we don't have a fish knife, but I'm just showing this for practical. This is a fish knife, and we will have a fish fork. A fish fork will have two edges. This is actually not a fish fork. It will be placed in the left and the right side. When the customer is served with the fish, when he is served, he finishes his food, the waiter just simply keep this and remove his setup. Then as you can see, this is a base plate. Then we have a rice plate, or you can say dinner plate. Or so for this we have already a fork and a spoon at the left and right side. As I have already told, this is, you can also use this for dessert. As you can see, this is we have a different type of glasses. In normal table, formal table setup, you will only see one type of glass, and that will be this. We call it goblet. This is for water, and you can also use it for drinks like normal juice, etc. But this is an Russian table setup. This is an elegant design for VIPs, for business meeting, etc. So we have 5 type of glasses, as you can see, and this is a white wine glass, because wine is actually very expensive. So obviously an VIP can afford it, and normal people can also afford it, but this is an elegant table setup. So we have a setup from start. This is a white wine glass. Then we also have a red wine glass. This is not actually a size of red wine glass, but as per criteria we have available this. So I am putting this for your example. This will be a red wine glass, and a position will be always this. We also have a juice glass. If a customer want to drink juice, so we will have a juice glass. And we will also have a simple water glass for a customer. Like we will have several type of glasses for every drink. So this is your overall Russian table setup. Napkin is placed here, but you can also place it in front of the guest when you are serving, or you can also put the napkin here just for a decoration, for a design. You can't put it on this plate because it is already a tower. As you can see, we have plenty of plates here. So when you put a napkin here, so the design will be actually disappear. So the main thing is you have to place a design napkin in a glass, or you can also put it in front of the table, in front of the guest.